Good morning, children. On coming January 4 onwards, you are going to write second term examination. So, prepare well for your exam. Children, you have to write the English exam in ruled sheet and write very neatly. You are expected to write second term examination in the presence of your parents by getting a parent signature. Today we are going to revise Unit 1 Supplementary Question Answer and then Unit 1 Book Back Exercises. Let's see that. Supplementary 1 Alice in Wonderland. First Roman Discuss and answer. First question. Why did Alice follow the rabbit? The answer is Alice saw a rabbit hurrying down a rabbit's hole. She wanted to find out why the rabbit was in such a hurry. So she followed him. Second one, do you think this was a good idea? The answer is no, it was not a good idea. Third one, why can't Alice get through the little door into the garden? The answer is she couldn't get into the garden through the little door because she was too big. Then fourth one, why does Alice drink from the bottle that says drink me, and why does she eat from the cake that says eat me? The answer is out of curiosity Alice drank from the bottle that said drink me. As she was hungry, she ate the cake that said eat me. Then fifth question, how does Alice feel after all these changes? The answer is Alice feels strange and realized that she would never get back to the right size. Then sixth question, why do you think is going to happen next? The answer is she may shrink again after eating or touching anything. Then second Roman, think and answer. First question, what challenges does Alice face and how does she overcome them? The answer is Alice goes through a variety of strange physical changes. The discomfort she feels at never being the right size acts as a symbol for the changes that occur during her adolescence. She continually finds herself in a situation in which she risks death. She gets in trouble because of her curiosity as Alice progresses through her dream. She loses her sense of identity at the beginning of her journey. She was confused, anxious and timid. Finally, she becomes a strong and confident girl who is able to stand up for her. Then second one, have you ever had a strange dream? Share your dream in the class. The answer is yes. I had a strange dream last night. I went to bed late and was fast asleep. Suddenly, I felt that I was in a fairyland. There was a big garden. The flowers were blooming. The fairies were singing beautiful songs. One fairy came to me and offered me a small chair to sit on and enjoy the song. There I saw a child playing on the flute. Some dwarfs and elves were sitting nearby. It was a pleasant and strange sight for me. Suddenly, I could hear my mother shouting at me to get up and to get ready to go to school. I woke up and was surprised to realize that it was only a pleasant and a strange dream. Let's see book exercise. Prose 1, Adventures of Don Wizard. Homophones. Homophones are two words that are spelled differently but have the same sound. A Roman explained the difference between these words by making sentences. One is done for you. First one, see, see. Can you see the birds flying over the sea? Second one, night, night. The night went to sleep at night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Third one, write, write. I shall write the right answer. Fourth one, arms, arms. She stretched her arms to receive alms. Fifth one, fare, fare. The auto fare was not fare. Sixth one, hear, hear. I can hear the roaring sound of a lion from here. Seventh one, heard, heard. The herd of cattle heard the rattling sound of the branches. Eighth one, hour, hour. It takes 1 hour to reach our destination. Ninth one, no, no. No one knows about this matter. 10th one, not, not. The knot is not tight. Next, be Roman. Read the following sentences and write the meaning of the italicized words. One is done for you. Homonyms are spelled the same way but differ in meaning. First one, the bandage was wound around the wound. Wound which means injury. Next, wound which means past tense of wind. The second one, there is a fair arts and craft fair this weekend. Fair, good. Fair, competition, exhibition. Third one, the woodcutter saw a huge saw in his dream. Saw, past tense of see. Saw, tool for cutting wood. Then fourth one, write the right answer on the right side. Right, correct. Right, direction. Fifth one, the well was dug by a well-known king. Well, a deep hole that is dug to get water. Well, famous. Sixth one, we have march past in March. March, walking in a military manner. March, third month of the year. Seventh one, can you get me a can? Can, a modal verb requesting permission. Can, a vessel. Eighth one, how long will the live fish live without food? Live, living and not dead. Live, remain alive. Ninth one, she has tears in her eyes as she tears old photos. Tears, drops of liquid that come from your eyes. Tears, pull apart to pieces with force. Then 10th one, I will be second in line if I wait one more second. Second, number 2 in a sequence. Second, duration of time. C. Divide each word by putting a slash symbol between each syllable on the space provided. Write how many syllables each word has. Use a dictionary if you are not sure where to divide the syllables. Syllable is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound with or without surrounding consonants forming the whole or part of a word. For example, there are 2 syllables in water. Water. First one, adventure. Adventure. 3 syllables. Second one, courageous. Courageous. 3 syllables. Third one, incredible. Incredible. 4 syllables. Fourth one, night. Night, 1 syllable. Fifth one, hilarious. Hilarious. 4 syllables. Sixth one, excitement. Excitement. 3 syllables. Seventh one, peasant. Peasant. 2 syllables. Eighth one, imagine. Imagine. 3 syllables. Ninth one, shepherd. Shepherd. 2 syllables. 10th one, entreat. Entreat. 2 syllables. G. Solve the crossword puzzle using superlative adjective. First one, deserts are the dash places on earth. Driest, D-R-I-E-S-T, driest. Then here, the dash man ever whose age has been verified in Jerome Gimra. Oldest, O-L-D-E-S-T, oldest. Then third one, Russia is the dash country in the world. Largest, L-A-R-G-E-S-T, largest. Then Antarctica is the dash continent in the world. Coldest, C-O-L-D-E-S-T, coldest. Then Mercury is the dash planet to the sun. Closest, C-L-O-S-E-S-T, closest. Then the elephant is the dash animal in the world. Heaviest, H-E-A-V-I-E-S-T, heaviest. Then Vatican City is the dash country in the world. Smallest, S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest. Then eighth one, Mount Everest is the dash mountain in the world. Tallest, T-A-L-L-E-S-T, tallest. Then diamonds are the dash material in the world. Hardest, H-A-R-D-E-S-T, hardest. Then the cheetah is the dash animal in the world. Fastest, F-A-S-T-E-S-T, fastest. Next, poem 1, the poem of adventure. Write down the alliterated words. Listen children, alliterated words அப்படினா poem lineல consonant sound அடுத்தடுத்து same letterல வர்றதா alliterated. ஓகேவா? இங்க பாருங்க கான்சனன்ட் சவுண்ட்லாம் உங்களுக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியும்ல AEIOU இது இல்லாம மற்ற சவுண்டில் வர்றது தான் கான்சனன்ட் சவுண்ட். பிகாஸ் those that live there lives in adventure. இந்த poem லைன்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா those T that T there T இந்த மாதிரி கான்சனன்ட் சவுண்ட்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர் சேமா வர்றதா அலிட்டரேட்டட் வேர்ட்ஸ். those T that T there T. Next alliterated words, and every time you take a new step you bounce a bit. Here time take T T. So these words are alliterated. The next bounce bit B B are same letter consonant sound. So these words are alliterated words. Next supplementary Alice in Wonderland. A Roman identify the character or speaker. First one, I must find out why he is in such a hurry. The answer is Alice. Second one, go to my cottage and fetch my clothes and fan. The answer is White Rabbit. Then third one, oh no, I will never get back to the right size. The answer is Alice. Then fourth one side makes you big, the other side makes you small. The answer is green caterpillar. Then fifth one, I will see you later at the Queen's Croquet game. The answer is Cheshire Cat. CHESHIRE. Cheshire Cat. Then sixth one, you may stay if you answer my riddle. The answer is Mad Hatter. HATTER. Mad Hatter. Then seventh one, wake up. You have been sleeping for too long. The answer is Alice's sister. Next, letter writing. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for a birthday gift. Letter writing. Informal. Karur, date. Listen children. டேட் நீங்கள் எழுதும்போது எக்ஸாம் என்ன டேட்டோ அந்த டேட் எழுதுவீங்க. சப்போஸ் நமக்கு வந்து எக்ஸாம் வந்து 4 தான் இங்கிலீஷ் எக்ஸாம். ஸோ யூ கேன் ரைட் 4/1/2021. Dot. My dear uncle, I thank you very much for the cycle, sent by you as my birthday present. Dot. The cycle is very useful for me. Dot. I very much like the cycle that you have given. Dot. Next, convey my best wishes to my brothers Ramu and Santosh. Next, you leave one line. Next, yours. Y வந்து நீங்க capital letterல தான் எழுதணும். Yours affectionately. AFFECTIONATELY. Affectionately, write your name. Dot. Address on the envelope. To Mr. or Rajan, 44, Anna Nagar, Trichy. Dot. I hope that you all have understood today's class. Do your homework regularly and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.